Okay, we're at the Grand Chancellor Hotel in Auckland. These are brand new Schindler. These are brand new Schindler lifts. Let's go to 14's locked. And 13. Oh, I'll tell you what, it's after hours, isn't it? Probably need my pass. Okay, so we can only go as high as 3.
4, 3.
We can't go down to the basements without a special key fob. We can go down the ground though. These lifts are really fast. Linea black with a Vetro indicator.
Ground floor.
Yep, so let's go back to 3. So according to the hotel's website, these lifts were only replaced last year. I hadn't actually realised that the floors above 3 were locked. I hadn't realised that. They're not, I don't think they're 5500s, I think they're too quick for that. So I think these are probably machine room traction.
Elevator is going down.
Is that the American voice? I'm not sure. Let's go back to ground.
Ground floor.
Date and time is correct. There you go. That's it.